Soak cold water for an hour. Prepare green onion, ginger and garlic. Cook in wine. Refrigerated for an hour. Medium heat for 10 minutes. Prepare utensils and preheat the oven. Put the wraps on the baking tray. Oil. Mix evenly and continue to put it back in the oven. Brush a remaining sauce on the baking tray. Sesame seeds. Please try and tag me. If you have any questions, leave a message in a comment. Follow my channel to watch a video at the first time. See you soon.